What if I told you there are 5 side hustles in Birmingham that could bring you $10,000 a month legally, safely, and without needing a huge investment upfront? Most people don't even realize these opportunities exist. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what these hustles are, how to start them, what you need, and how to make them profitable. These are real, scalable side hustles that anyone can start today if they follow the right steps. Hustle number 1, Airbnb/short-term rental management. Birmingham is growing as a tourism and business hub, with plenty of visitors needing short-term stays. Airbnb management is a smart hustle because many property owners want to rent out their homes but don't have the time to manage bookings, cleaning, and guest communication. For example, Sarah started managing 3 apartments downtown. Each unit earns an average of $2,000 per month. That's $6,000 monthly without owning the property. Her requirements were simple: strong communication skills, familiarity with Airbnb's platform, and a network of cleaners. To start, you'll need a smartphone or laptop, Airbnb account setup, cleaning and maintenance contacts, scheduling and booking tools, legal guidance. Birmingham requires short-term rental permits, and you must collect occupancy taxes. Ensure you're compliant with city zoning laws, as some neighborhoods restrict rentals. Scaling tip: once you gain experience, expand to 5 to 10 properties, hire assistants, and automate bookings. This can easily hit $10,000 per month. Hustle number 2, mobile car detailing. Birmingham has many car owners who want their vehicles professionally cleaned at home or work. Mobile car detailing is a low-investment, high-demand side hustle. James started with 1 van and basic cleaning supplies. By marketing on Instagram and local Facebook groups, he gained clients quickly. Charging $120 per car and servicing 35 to 40 cars a month, he earns about $4,500 monthly. As he added more staff and vans, his income doubled. Requirements: van or vehicle for supplies, cleaning tools and eco-friendly chemicals, water supply access and microfiber towels, insurance, recommended for liability. Legal: register your business with Alabama state authorities, get a local business license, and follow environmental guidelines. Pro tip: offer premium services like paint protection, interior deep cleaning, and quick mobile detailing subscriptions to grow revenue consistently. Hustle number 3, niche subscription boxes. Subscription boxes are booming, and targeting a niche market can be extremely profitable. Birmingham residents love hobbies, local artisan products, and pets, all perfect niches for monthly subscription boxes. Example: Lisa launched a pet subscription box. She sources products from local stores and small vendors. Pricing at $50 per month and gaining 200 subscribers, she earns $10,000 per month consistently. Requirements: products and suppliers, subscription website or Shopify store, packaging and shipping tools, marketing, social media, email campaigns. Legal: register as a business, collect sales tax, and comply with subscription laws. Scaling tip: offer seasonal boxes, limited editions, or collaborate with local influencers to attract more subscribers. Hustle number 4, tutoring/online coaching. With online learning and professional skill development, tutoring is an evergreen hustle. Birmingham has students and professionals willing to pay for specialized knowledge. David teaches coding and digital marketing online. He charges $60 per hour, tutoring 25 students a month, earning around $10,000. Requirements: laptop, webcam, and reliable internet, expertise in a high-demand subject, scheduling software for sessions. Legal: generally, tutoring has low regulation, but forming an LLC protects personal assets and legitimizes the business. Scaling tip: offer group sessions, recorded courses, or expand to other subjects to maximize income. Hustle number 5, mobile coffee/food cart. Birmingham's streets and office areas are perfect for mobile coffee carts or small food vendors. This hustle has low overhead and high daily revenue. Emily started with 1 coffee cart downtown, serving 50 to 60 cups per day at $5 each. That's $250 to $300 daily, totaling over $7,500 per month. Adding a second cart and expanding to office complexes pushed her to $10,000 per month. Branding, signage, menus, and social media. Legal: obtain a food handler permit, follow health inspection regulations, and acquire city vending licenses. Scaling tip: Partner with local events, offices, and pop-ups. Offer loyalty programs or pre-order apps to increase recurring sales. These 5 side hustles in Birmingham are just the tip of the iceberg. Whether you start with Airbnb management, car detailing, subscription boxes, tutoring, or a coffee cart, each has the potential to earn $10,000 per month. If executed properly. Which hustle would you try first in Birmingham? Comment below and share your thoughts. I want to know. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more state-specific side hustle secrets. Remember, start small, reinvest earnings, scale smartly, and follow the legal requirements.